Hi, welcome to another product review. Welcome to my site if it's your first time here, or welcome back to those that have subscribed and have been following me for a while. I've been looking for a little cooker to take hiking or throw in the kayak, something nice and light and easy, and I can use gas when fire bans and things like that are on. I've been looking at the jetboils, but they get expensive. What I've seen them at is on eBay is starting at $120 to $140, and that's for the 8 litre, and that's not even a press button start, it's just the match start. So I didn't quite want to pay that much, so a little bit further investigation. I came across one called Fire Maple, and again found it on eBay. Average price Australian dollars was $50 to $60, and it's a 1 litre container and weighs in at 0.64 grams, so it was ideal. What I've done, it didn't actually come with a little stand that goes under your gas bottle, but you can buy those for a couple of dollars on eBay or Amazon, wherever you like. The unit itself is packed up, is 18 centimeters by 12 centimeter diameter. When it comes without the bottle, which I've put the bottle in here just to show you how it all packs up, and I'm actually using a jetboil gas bottle because they seem to work really well. The connections on them are good. It came with a little plastic container as well, a little cup which I threw away. It was, to me, useless, but it's got handles, it's got your foam padding on the outside. The only difference I could see when I was looking at the jetboil is the way the holes are configured around the outside. The inside system is exactly the same, but as I say, just a slight difference on the outside holes. And the top gas, it is a press button start, and it goes like a rocket when you turn it up. Quick and easy, no matches, no mucking around. The base sits on and it actually locks into place, so with the feet on it's quite a stable unit. Base is plastic, steel. I don't know about putting a fry pan on there or not, because there's not enough gap to allow too much airflow. Handles are plastic coated, so nice and light. One thing I do like is you can leave the gas bottle on, drop the whole unit in there, a couple of sachets of coffee in there, or a spoon, and the lid is rubberized. There's got a slot in it, so it makes it a little bit easier for pouring. So that's it inside. You could go the other way, put it head first, and that gives you a little bit more room around if you wanted to drop a spoon or something like that. So very shortly I'll do a test on it and just see how quick it boils the water up. But for the price, it's basically half price, and I've used it several times now. It is quick and easy, and I'm quite impressed. So as an alternative, I'm not knocking jetboil, but it's a cheaper alternative and something to look at while you're spending your money. So it's Fire Maple. It's made in China. The Fire Maple brand, I've actually seen a lot of their stuff. They do a number of items, so have a look through and have a look at some of their other items. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. The model of this one is called Fix Star FMSX1, Foxtrot Mike Sierra X-Ray 1. So it's got all your warnings on here, and they do have a website, www.fire-maple.com. So let's do a test in it and see how it goes. Right, let's do the boil test. So I'm all set to go. Temperature in the room is 28 degrees, and I'll put a pot of water in. which is just over on the marker there, half a litre, so I'm guessing it's about a 600ml bottle. Gas on to start her up. Start the timer. And I'm not using the lid on it, so I can see it actually looks like it's starting to bubble, but it can't be. Current water temperature at 30 seconds is 50 degrees. Right, we're at the 1 minute mark, temperature is 67 degrees and climbing. Yeah, a bit of steam coming out now, 1.5 minutes. We're at the 2 minute mark and the water's starting to boil, it's 97 degrees. And it's bubbling away. Turn that off. So, just under 2.25 minutes and it was 100 degrees and it was boiling. So that's for 600ml. I'm quite pleased with that, that's quite impressive. So that's the product, Fire Maple. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, or if you have any questions just leave some in the comments at the bottom, and see you next time. Keep the shiny side up.